Oh, bro.
Hi, Julian. We want to tell you how much we love you, and you're the best boy ever. And this is part of your birthday, start of the week, to tell you happy birthday. So, happy birthday. What else do you want to talk about?
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone
We have to pose
waiting
and figure
for
out.
me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own. In mine,
Look at that pretty girl.
dancing
I
in
think it's
the
called
dark.
Lake Island. It's command. Why not?
You
Yes, we're not in
between
Command.
my
No.
arms. Barefoot on the grass, listening to
Okay.
our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard
Yeah.
it. Darling, you look perfect
All right.
tonight.
All about it.
Well, I found
Hey.
a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own.